Whether you're a seasoned electronics repair professional or a passionate hobbyist, the PolarTech Professional Repair Toolkit is your one-stop shop for tackling even the most intricate repairs. Curated by veterans with over 10 years of experience, this kit empowers you to transform from a novice into a repair master. The star of the show is the versatile screwdriver set GTN30 for an unparalleled disassembly experience. The GTN30 features a built-in bearing in the top cover. This innovative design ensures exceptional concentricity, translating into smoother rotations and greater control. Every twist and turn will feel precise and confident. The extended 45mm length of the bits allows you to conquer those hard-to-reach areas often found in modern electronics. Boasting an impressive arsenal of 28 precision bits, this set caters to a wide range of repairs. No more scrambling for the right tool. You have everything you need at your fingertips. A powerful suction cup and ultra-thin, high-strength triangle opening picks form a dream team for separating screens and back covers without damaging delicate components. Organization is key. The magnetic project mat provides a designated spot for each screw, eliminating the headache of misplaced parts and keeping your workspace tidy. The small magnetizer ensures screws cling effortlessly to the bits, preventing them from slipping or getting lost during maneuvering. For a professional-grade finish, the PolarTech tool set includes a screen clamp. This tool securely holds the screen in place, guaranteeing a perfect fit and optimal dust-proof and waterproof performance for your device. Metal prying knife, sharp and precise. This tool tackles prying tasks around intricate components with ease. Replacement blades ensure long-lasting use. For those ultra-tight spaces, this ultra-thin opening pry tool creates a starting point for further disassembly using other tools in the kit. Isopropyl alcohol ALC-15. This degamine agent removes adhesive residue safely and effectively. The convenient dropper design allows for precise application, preventing accidental damage to sensitive components. A multi-purpose hero, the Spudger can handle a variety of tasks, from removing FPC connector buckles to prying batteries with finesse. Double-ended Spudger, designed specifically for battery removal. This Spudger's white matte design allows for safe and effortless battery extraction, eliminating the risk of fire. With the PolarTech tool set by your side, you'll be equipped to approach any electronic repair challenge with confidence and precision. Elevate your repair skills and experience the satisfaction of bringing your gadgets back to life. Thanks for watching.